So you're moving to Houston. Maybe it's a job. Maybe it's family. Maybe Texas finally got your attention. Either way, you picked a market that still makes sense. If this is your first time buying here, the process can feel like a lot. So let's simplify it. I'm Jamila Winsey, and I help buyers relocate to Houston every day. Here's exactly what to expect. Start with the lender, not a home search. Pre-approval tells you what you can afford, strengthens your offer, and keeps you focused on the right price point. Down payments can be as low as 3%, and there are Texas programs worth exploring. Choose the right agent. Houston is massive, and every area lives differently. Pricing, taxes, flood risk, all of it varies. Here's how working together works. After our first meeting, I'll send you a buyer representation agreement. It outlines how I represent you and how we move forward. By law, I can't continue showing homes without it in place, and you're not locked in. If it's not the right fit, you can cancel with 10 days notice. The goal is clarity, not pressure. Get clear on what you actually need. Commute, schools, taxes, flood zones, HOA. In Houston, things like mud taxes can significantly impact your payment depending on the area. Clarity up front saves you time and money. When you find the right home, we structure a strong offer. Price matters, but terms matter just as much. Some homes move fast, others give you room to negotiate. Knowing the difference is where deals are won. Once under contract, you'll have an option period. This is your time to inspect everything and make decisions. If issues come up, you can renegotiate or walk away. This is where you protect yourself. From there, your lender finalizes the loan and you move to closing. Most transactions take about 30 to 45 days. You review your numbers, sign, and get your keys. Relocating is a big move, but when you understand the process, you move faster, stress less, and buy better. Houston has opportunity. You just need the right strategy going in.